Hi there, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to review my quick little video. Please remember to send me some feedback and let me know some of the tips and tricks you may be able to use. We're just working with local customers to help them take off some hats so they can focus on the things they would rather focus on in their business. So I pulled up your website, modern looking website, has a couple pictures and a little bit of content. Google does like to see anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500 words for content on their home page, and in that home page, they like to see organic keywords. I pulled up your site on what we call Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a site that we use to utilize looking at websites and how they're ranking. You can see you have 19 backlinks, 8 referring domains, and 0 organic keywords. Pulled up one of your competitors. They do have content, however, they are lacking as well. Pictures can be considered content as long as they are labeled, saved, and applied correctly. I pulled them up on the same site. They've got 28 backlinks, 12 referring domains, and 4 organic keywords. Now, with backlinks, not all backlinks are created equal. Google likes to see quality versus quantity. It looks like people are just searching for them in particular. They don't have too many organic keywords either. Here's another competitor. Great modern looking website, pictures, some content. They could definitely use some more content. Let's pull them. They have 38 backlinks, 8 referring domains, and in all that content, they've got 0 organic keywords. Now, if we look at Google, this is where, if you're placing ads on Google, a great place to advertise, and your ads go up here on top. This is what we call the map pack. The map pack is where you want to aim to be. And the reason for that is your potential customers are going to call the first 2 to 3 services that they see for a quote. And then down here is what we call the organic listings. This is another place you want to aim to be on top, and you always want to be on the first page. One way to do that as well is to have citations. Citations are very simple to obtain. They are just your business name, address, and phone number, and placed in various aspects such as Yelp, that sort of thing. I hope you found this video helpful and have some tips and tricks you can utilize on it as well. Thank you so much and have a great day.